guys, this is like my take 3 already for the video. First one, it was sideways, and then the second one, the volume was slow. So I'm gonna retake one more try. So this take 3. So this is Christmas. It's already the 26th because somebody asked where I spent my Christmas. And I'm sure some of you are wondering where I spend my Christmas. Did I spend it at the campgrounds? But on the 24th, I spent my Christmas here with my friend, my high school friend, and her family. And we had the Christmas on decor making, which I posted yesterday. And last night, after one of her daughters who lives in Singapore woke up and she was the chosen judge, so she doesn't know who made which of the decorations. So this is the Christmas tree that's on the second floor. But before we start that one, let me show you where I slept. There's the bed, and this table was in the center during Christmas Eve, and we were making the decors, and these are some of the leftover ones. And we are at the second floor game room or family room. So that's the secondary Christmas tree on the second floor, because the primary Christmas tree is on the first floor. You can see it's very nice. And because when they put the Christmas tree, it was bare, so they decided to just make handmade decorations. And then somebody suggested, let's make a contest or competition out of it. And some of them donated prize, like for second and third prize, the can of popcorn. But the first prize, the donation reached more than $100. So the competition becomes more serious, and everybody tried to really make the best decor that they can make. And I will show you, I forgot to show you yesterday, this nice abstract decoration. It's also animated, so if you glance it, you will see it's moving. And I know only an artist can guess what it is, so I invite you guys to guess what this decor is and post it in the comments. Remember, if you're an artist, you can, if you have an artist's eye, you will be able to figure out what it is. So everybody made their best decoration, and also I would like to invite you to guess which one I made. So that's part of the fun also. So those are the decors, and before we announce the winners, I'll show you one other late entry. This nice decor with 2020 written there, so that's makes it real that this was made during 2020 Christmas Eve. So the third placer is this biplane with a baby pilot in front, and of course at the back on the wings, it's a Singapore Air. So I told you the competition was fierce, and it got serious quickly. And it was for fun, so it's fun or not. So let me know if you think it's fun or not. And on the side, there was a passenger written with one of the nicknames of the judge. But this is also very good. It's hard to make a guess. It's also 3D. And one of the you can guess one of the nicknames is also used there to try to get to become the winner, and you get for the third prize and the second prize a big can of popcorn, also donated by one of the contestants. And the second prize is this Christmas decor with the baby's hand outline cut out, and the baby actually written this and painted, and the parents just made a frame with a nice Merry Christmas greetings. So the baby got the second prize, and most of the decor has the baby there. This is a baby Santa Claus, which is also very nice. And now to announce the grand prize winner. Which one do you think is the winner? This abstract artist rendition of Christmas, and traditional ones, and another abstract one, which is easier to figure out what it is. But which one is the winner? Which one do you think is the best one? There's another baby picture, and a nice grandma picture. So which one is the winner, you think? And the winner is, for the grand prize, ta-da! 3D depiction of the original Christmas. And you can see this elaborate design, and yet very fast to bake with just simple materials. And there's even the original star of Christmas. That's the grand prize winner. More than $100. And we had so much fun, and I'm sure everybody will have so much fun also. So it's fun or not? You think it's fun? I had so much fun, so it's fun for me. What do you think, guys? Fun or not? Everybody have a nice holidays. Oh, sorry. And Merry Christmas. Bye bye.